Al-Hassan from Egypt.
Salam alaikum.
Samtullah.
I have one question and one repeat one. First of all, Sheikh, I have a sin and got it more to more, and I can't get away from it. But I can't. How can this sin is in the youth age? You know, Sheikh?
First of all, Akhi, and I'll take your question only because we don't have time for anything more. The sin of masturbation is a manifestation of people's ignorance of Allah's beautiful names and attributes. No, Sheikh, I know Allah has 99 names. I know them all. I know this and that. No. You may know them, but you have not implemented them or understood them. No, I know the meanings, Sheikh. Say, okay. Do you know what's the meaning of As-Sami' al-Basir? Yeah, all hearing, all seeing. Do you know when you're masturbating or watching pornography that Allah is hearing what you're hearing through your headset, and Allah is seeing what you're seeing? You can't say no, because then you become a kafir. And if you say, yes, I know that Allah is watching and hearing what I'm watching and listening to, then how is it that you know that Allah is a Sami' al-Basir and you're involved in this shameful sin? Oh, Sheikh, I can't help myself. I'm too weak. No, you're not. This is your test from Allah. You're an adult. You're not a child. When you go to answer the call of nature, should I take your hand and go with you? No, Sheikh, I'm an adult. I have to lock the door. Okay. Likewise, here is your test. This is the line you must not cross. If you do cross it, you're going to pay the price. You're going to see the wrath of Allah Azza wa Jal for doing this sin in your life in this dunya, when you die in your grave, and when you're resurrected and standing in front of Him to answer and be accountable for the sin. If you refrain and restrain yourself by fasting, by making dhikr, by cutting all means that facilitate watching such haram scenery and provoking your desire, then you pass and you will end up in Jannah, inshallah. The choice is yours.